Introduction. Isha's mother is at the bookstore. She has bought some books and notebooks for Isha. She pays the shopkeeper 300 rupee notes and 2 5 rupee coins for her purchase. We buy pins, chocolates, biscuits, toys, tickets, books, cars, houses, etc. with money. In this lesson, you will learn about money, notes and coins. Currency is the money used in a country. Indian currency consists of rupee notes and coins. They are of different values. Rupee notes are made of paper. There are 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 rupee notes. Coins are made of metal and are round. There are 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins. Coins. Look at this small coin. It is a 25 paisa coin. Look at this slightly bigger coin. It is a 50 paisa coin. This is a 1 rupee coin. This is a 2 rupee coin. This is a 5 rupee coin. This is a 10 rupee coin. Now let us use these coins in different combinations. You want to buy an eraser. It costs 1 rupee. Your father has 2 50 paisa coins. He gives them to the shopkeeper and buys the eraser. Therefore, 2 50 paisa coins make 1 rupee. 2 1 rupee coins make 2 rupees. 2 2 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coin make 5 rupees. 2 5 rupees coins make 10 rupees. Notes. Look at the note. This is a 1 rupee note. This is a 2 rupee note. This is a 5 rupee note. This is a 10 rupee note. Let us now look at the different combinations of notes. 2 1 rupee notes make 2 rupees. 2 2 rupee notes and 1 1 rupee note make 5 rupees. 2 5 rupee notes make 10 rupees. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Currency is the money used in a country. Indian currency consists of rupee notes and coins. Rupee notes are made of paper. There are 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 rupee notes. Coins are made of metal. There are 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins. We use notes and coins in different combinations to make payments.